principal sir, all teaching and non-teaching staff members, and my dear friends. First of all, a healthy good morning to everyone. I am Bhumika and today I am present here to deliver a speech on India. India is the country where I was born and India is one of the best countries in the world. With 1.4 billion, India is first largest country in the world and also the seventh largest country by total area. India is famous for its rich cultural heritage and diversity. India is one of the best countries for many reasons like the acceptance of people of other religions and the biggest democratic nation and many reasons. So I want to know that India is one best country because India is the favorite country of gods to be blessed with all the seasons like spring season, autumn, monsoon, pre-winter and winter season. And we all know that about the Indian history, the number system and the number zero are given by Aryabhatta from India to the world. And one of the finest and the first university of India is Takshashila. It is also the first university of the world and it is belonged to India from 700 before Christ. So I want to know and I want to only say that India is best country to live in and India is the best country of tourist attraction. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. And every state has its varied culture. India is rich in climatic and topographic conditions. The ranges is huge from hot and cold desert to snow-capped mountains and from beaches of floras and fauna with the natural rivers supporting agriculture in many states. And India being a developing economy and his least cost labors and India is an agriculture based economy giving the low cost of food, hence the cost of living in India is very low. So India being a democratic nation and I would like to know that I would like to request you to be proud of my nation and be clean and democratic and educating and empowering the bigger section of society. So at last I want to only say that इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना कि इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना कि इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने कि लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने ऐसे तिरंगे को हमेशा अपने दिल में बसाए रखना ऐसे तिरंगे को हमेशा अपने दिल में बसाए रखना थैंक यू